What's up, y'all? Got a beeping smoke detector. I can help fix that. They always seem to go off in the middle of the night, and a lot of people don't know what to do when the smoke detector starts randomly chirping. So let's go ahead and fix that. One quick fix that you can do that is a temporary fix. On some models, it will have a push to hush button. Go ahead and push that, and then now your smoke detector will not chirp for, I think, around 12 hours. Each manufacturer is different, but then you will see the blinking red light. Some people will just go to the battery compartment, remove the battery, and think that everything is solved. Unfortunately, most smoke detectors in homes are hardwired, and they have a battery backup in case power is lost and there is a fire. The smoke detector will still go off without the 120 volt AC voltage supplying it. All you gotta do to permanently hush the chirping smoke detector, or at least for another year or so, is insert a 9-volt battery. Just follow the instructions. They usually have a picture. On this particular model, you just push it in and then lock it. Once you do that, you are going to want to reset the smoke detector by setting it off. That will fix the problem 95% of the time. Some smoke detectors, especially the ones that have the CO function, sometimes will chirp 3 times. That will indicate that the smoke detector needs to be replaced. This one was only a single chirp, so battery replacement worked. The thing you don't want to do is take the smoke detector down and remove the back piece, because then you are susceptible to fire danger. So that's all you really got to do to stop a chirping smoke detector. Like I said, it works about 95% of the time. If the smoke detector is more than 10 years old, or if it keeps beeping after a battery replacement, make sure the battery that you put in there is not expired or drained. And if it's still chirping after you know that you have a fresh battery in there, go ahead and replace the smoke detector. Check out, I'll make a video for that as well. But that's it for today, and until the next fix, catch y'all around.